Mr. Speaker, sir, may the CS tell us what has occasioned the delay in the completion of the project of the construction of Wang'uru International Stadium in Moya constituency in Kirinyaga County, which was launched in 2020? B, could the Cabinet Secretary disclose pending works and state the projected date of completion? And C, what is the total budgeted cost of the project, and could the Cabinet Secretary provide the status of payments to the respective contractors and also disclose the outstanding amount?
Now, regarding the delay in the completion of the Wang'uru Stadium, I wish to indicate the following: that the project was handed over to the main contractor, VV Enterprises, on the 5th day of August 2020, with the construction commencing on August 12th, that same year, 2020. However, the implementation of the project faced a number of delays due to weather, persistent rainfall, and such factors. We also then that year had to face the COVID-19 pandemic, which had a significant impact on the speed or expedition of delivering that project. But those factors notwithstanding, I'm pleased to inform the House that the stadium has been fully completed according to the scope of works that had been indicated at the commencement of that project.
Kiambu Kirigiti Stadium, it is all complete. We see it, but it is not open to the public. It is only open for the governor. When he has an event, the governor will do things there. When there's a public event, the governor will do. But the public are not using the stadium. When are you going to hand over and open Kirigiti Stadium?
Kirigiti Stadium in Kiambu is one of our top facilities, constructed and completed. There are certain things that need to be sorted around Kirigiti, and I can inform you really that as we close a number of stadia for preparation for AFCON, Kirigiti has been lined up to be among the stadia that is going to be very, very active, while the rest are closed for AFCON. And once the pending issues are sorted out, including the issue of the track, when they constructed Kirigiti, they used tarmac, they used bitumen on the track, which really was not the right thing to do.